If you want to clean and power wash anywhere, anytime without an electrical outlet or a garden hose, this is your video.
Welcome, it's Danson DIY Doll, and today we're going to be opening the Hydroshot. This is a really cool power washer, and you don't even need a hose to use it. You can just put the pump in the bucket and it'll work.
So like other videos you've seen on the Dad and Son DIY and Do It All channels, we like to lay everything out first, make sure everything's there, get the instructions, and then actually go step by step so we set it up right the first time and avoid any problems. The version we got is the complete set with battery and charger, but I believe they also sell a bare tool version if you're already working with the same battery kit. Everything snaps together nicely and fits tightly. Now you have to choose whether you're going to use the hose to use it with the bucket, because you can take it anywhere as long as you got a bucket of water, a lake, a river, a stream, has a nice filter on it, or you can directly connect it to a garden hose. Make sure that you always charge up your battery fully before your first use, and it's got a nice indicator light on it to confirm you did that. Laid out a series of items in our driveway to be able to give it a test and see how this thing works. So be sure to stick along to the end to see all the things we washed. Now we left this in purposely to show we're not always perfect either. And when Mama first started using this, she didn't have the trigger all the way pressed down. While this did increase our hose pressure, you'll quickly hear the difference when the compressor kicks on and the power washer starts working. Are you not hitting the trigger? And why we started on our sleds that were left out after winter and doing some sledding during a snowfall, we just wanted to test it here. So some skeptics may think that this is an easy job, but we're gonna quickly switch over to our front porch where it's north facing, so it doesn't get any sun, so we get a lot of mold and mildew stains up there, and you'll see this thing really work and how powerful it can be. So you can quickly see that this thing makes short work of any staining on our concrete. We absolutely love this thing, and the great news, like I said, if you choose not to use the garden hose, you want to do a deck, a patio, a dock, anything where you're away from electricity and away from water, you got the battery and you can bring a bucket with you or use it directly in the water if you're at a lake. So we hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider liking, subscribing, and be sure to check out these videos or these playlists for more DIY fun.